Hey guys, today we're going to draw the pop character Rick Sanchez. Make sure you pop the subscribe button if you want to see some of my new videos, and let's get going on him. Alright, to get started on him, we're going to draw a circle for one of his eyes. And then in the circle, we'll do another smaller one that's just going to be his pupil. Then right next to it, not touching, but darn close, we'll do another circle and another pupil right in the middle, just like that. Alright, starts off pretty easy, right? Now his nose is going to be kind of this long shape, just like that. Then we're going to do these kind of like eyelids right underneath, he like always has. Then for his mouth, he has this huge mouth that curves around like that. Okay? Then inside that mouth, he's got these pointy, kind of creepy teeth, and they just zigzag back and forth all the way up, just like that. Now, we can do the exact same thing on the bottom. We're going to just zigzag back and forth all the way across. Now we want to draw a little bit of slobber that comes out. It's kind of funny. So we'll just go like that, and it's just going to be kind of that little wavy line. And then last of all, his tongue. It's in the middle, right there towards the bottom. Now let's outline the edges of his mouth. Those are going to be where his cheeks are. So we don't want to forget and draw his chin until after we've outlined it. Now next, let's bring the bottom of his head down and around, just like that. And that's going to be like his, right before, that's like his chin, basically. All right, now, the top of his head, we're going to just curve up and around and down, just like that. Really simple. Now, he has kind of this unibrow thing going on, just like Pickle Rick has. So that's how we know it's him, basically. We can add a couple of lines like that on his forehead. Now let's get to his hair. His hair is really simple. Whole bunch of triangles. Okay, so we'll just get the triangles gradually bigger until we get to the top where they're huge. Same thing on the other side. So if you're going to start from the top, just get them gradually smaller until we come all the way around like that. All right, easy enough. Let's draw his neck. So just two lines and then curve around like that. His shoulders come across and down on both sides. And then just curve across, just like that. And then we'll add his lab coat, which is just going to be two lines like that. And there we go, we got him. Pretty easy, right? So now I'm going to color him in, that way we can make sure he's looking exactly like we want him to. Alright, and here he is all colored in. Blue hair, lab coat, I think he turned out cool. I even got the little green slobber going on there. So I hope you had fun following along. I had fun drawing him. Make sure to check out some of my other videos I have going on. I've got some pop characters, anime, Pokemon, you name it. I think I've got it, probably somewhere on my channel. So check them out. Make sure you hit my head, click it if you want to subscribe to the channel and see my next videos I have coming out. And until then, I'll see you guys later.